Hello guys, today is another day. I'm going to give you a good prediction, a good strategy that can help you to make a win. Okay, today I have very good strategy, but you need to be careful about that strategy because always you use this strategy, be careful. Okay, be careful because this is the prediction is very hard, So whenever you want to make a profit about this strategy, you must look the odds. Okay, we are going to use only odds here. We're not focusing on maybe to do analytics with lower odds or high odds, but we are going to use one of particular match that can prove us the results will be okay. So I need you to understand something here. First of all, if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe my channel and click the icon bell. That will be the first to get my notification. Whenever I post a video, you'll be the first one to get it. Okay, let's start it. Do you see these odds? Let me show you. Do you see these odds? 3.60. Okay, 3.60. But I chosen a way to win. Okay, here we are not looking a form of particular match. We are looking a strategy by using odds. Okay, by using odds. But I need you to tell you something. First of all, if you need to choose the match like this, just tap on today's game. Like I taught you yesterday, I need you to understand the odds here. Just scroll down. Okay, just scroll down until you see the match. Okay, do you see this? Okay, let us find a perfect match that I can explain very well. Okay, do you see this match? Maccabi Niata at Belik versus Hapoel Bishin Midlot. Okay, Mislot. This match, you see the home odds have 1.88. Okay, so whenever you see home team have 1.88 or home team have 1.85, listen to me careful. Whenever you see the odds started 1.88 or 1.85, which means that match cannot get a good result for home team. Okay, always can lose. Okay, so understand that something. The odds combination is very important for bettors. So if you need to win your bet slip, you must be careful. Okay, you must be careful. So you see this, I have two games here. So I have two games. Here I have FC Goa versus Odisha and Maccabi Niat versus Hapoel. All of this match I chosen a way to win. The odds have higher odds. So between two games like this, I'm sure you are going to make a profit, guys. Okay, I'm sure you are going to make a profit whenever you use odds like this. So focus with the home team or away team odds. Okay, focus with home team or away team odds. These odds, even if have away, you may choose. Maybe let me show you. This 1.88. Whenever you see away team have these odds or home team have these odds, I'm sure that odds cannot give you a good result. Okay, always loses, always loses. So I need you to understand that. And draw section here have 3.5 and above. Make sure that the draw section, the odds have 3.5 and above. Okay, 5 and above, you are good to go, guys. You are good to go. That's why here I'm using this strategy for a long time, but I didn't tell you because of something. Okay, because of something. Because always when I drop a strategy here, someone review my videos and go to change their markets. Okay, to go to change their market. So use this strategy. If you see it's not work, just stop it. After few weeks or after 1 week, repeat again your strategy. I'm sure that it works 100%. Okay, so match like this can score 2-0 or 1-0, 2-0 or 1-0. Okay, so guys, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe my channel and click the icon bell. That will be the first to get my notification. Whenever I post a video, you will be the first one to get it. Thank you so much.